Good day everyone, I'm Ashok from Oracle, and today I'm with Anand from adkoli.net, and we are talking to Anand on recent implementation that he has done on Oracle database mobile server. Good day Anand.
Hi Ashok, it's good to be here. I actually represent a small group of technology professionals. We're about 8 or 9 of us. All of us are from the industry, but we now sort of work on a fairly interesting project in India. The largest sort of democratic political party in India, which is called the Indian National Congress, has for the last 5-6 years been trying to bring in systems and processes for internal democracy. So they're actually conducting internal elections, a secret ballot election if you will, at scale across India. This project has been running now for 5-6 years. And most of the work is being currently done in the Indian Youth Congress, which is its youth organization. But the roadmap is that after this Lok Sabha election, which is going to complete in a month or so, it is going to be a process that that rolls out in the Congress party at scale. So we run about, now for those of you who are not familiar with the Indian geography, this might sound very trivial, but just to give you a feel for scale, India has about 29 states, state units in the Congress party. Each of these states conducts about 30 to 40,000 elections in a span of 8 weeks. So that's the scale at which our processes are run. And that's why we use technology a lot. And for our field processes for this election, we have a pool of returning officers who volunteer as to run the process in a polling booth, and these guys use a handheld application which is completely sort of based on the DMS product.
So Anand, thank you for this good introduction. So can you elaborate more on the use case, what it actually does, and what is the role of Oracle DMS here?
So we have the entire party database of the Congress party. This is over 18 million members, so this is a significantly sized database. We maintain a profile of every member, including photographs, their history in the party, the work that they've done, etc. So we've invested heavily in Oracle technology database. We use the Application Express framework for all our web apps. So when we started running these field processes for elections, we were trying to find a solution that sort of allowed us to, basically switch to an environment that allowed us to reuse all the, investments we had made in the backend. So the database mobile server basically allowed us to have our returning officers download a small portion of this large database. So when they're in the field, for example, if they're running an election in a constituency, typically a constituency would have about 1,500 members. So the data of those members would be downloaded to the mobile phone using the DMS product. And once it's downloaded, India being a difficult environment, the entire application and the process does not require a network beyond that. So imagine a situation where a returning officer is hooked onto the network, they connect to our database, they pull the data that they need, they go off to some remote part of India to do their process, which is typically 5-6 days of work. At the end of it, they come back and synchronize the data back to us. So in those 5-6 days, they basically use the application to run the entire election process. This involves taking nominations, printing ballot papers, entering results. So it's a simple process on the face of it, but in the Indian environment, because network is sort of not given, this product allowed us to do this seamlessly.
I think that's a very good point that you made over there, Anand, especially from the network point of view, considering that we have a lot of villages where you don't have network and you need to gather information. And I think Oracle DMS helped you in the thinking part of it, right? So what other features did you feel that made a lot of difference from your use case point of view with respect to DMS?
I think the big thing for us was just simple transaction management. Just having the comfort that our data sitting on several hundred mobile devices and our master database would never sort of go out of sync. Just having comfort with the idea that transactions would be handled seamlessly. The app just didn't have to worry about any of that. The other thing that really was beneficial to us was the fact that the DMS product allows us to do data subsetting.
Okay.
So when we hand out a mobile device to a user, that user can download a subset of data, a portion of data, which belongs to the area that they're doing their work in. So it completely isolates them from the master database. It isolates them from other users. So we won't have a risk of one returning officer changing somebody else's data, because so that sort of, I think the data subsetting feature was very important.
Excellent. I think considering the Indian demographics and the huge user base, and this is probably a key requirement, right? Because if data is corrupt by invalid usage or whatever, right, then it's going to cause problem for this entire process.
Yeah.
I think that's a good point, Anand. So lastly, Anand, I would want to thank you for your time here. And do you want to add a quick note on what you see, where you see this application going? How do you want to enhance it in the future?
Yeah, so I think we've sort of just used this product for some sort of proprietary processes which allow us to run elections within the Congress Party. What we are currently working on is a membership application which basically allows every Congress Party member to download a free app from any of the stores and remain connected with the Congress Party using this app.
Okay.
Now, that actually means two things for us. One is it allows the member to engage with the party on a day-to-day basis. We can push content to the user. Second is the user can manage his or her own profile using this app. So being a political worker, this is a person that's sort of every day doing some political activity.
Right.
And we see this person reporting their political activity through pictures, videos, maybe even small microblogs, articles, and we want them to contribute this through their phone.
Okay.
I think one of the things that's very, very important in India's current political context is it's very important for the Congress Party, which is easily the biggest party in the world, to actually profile each one of its members. So we know exactly what the member is doing, who they are, those kinds of things. Because in this party there have been people who have worked for 30-40 years of their life,
right,
and the Congress Party knows very little about these people.
Exactly.
So having a good profile, I think, is a very important thing for us.
Great. Thank you, Anand.
Thank you. Great to be here.
Thank you. And that was Anand from Adcoli.net, who's done a very successful implementation of Oracle database mobile server. And thank you for watching this video.